In today's episode, we're going to make a really easy white bread. In fact, this is probably the easiest beginner baker's bread ever. This recipe will make 2 loaves of around 750 grams each. If your dough mixer has a bowl smaller than a 5-litre capacity, then I would recommend halving the recipe. To start, measure out 1 kilogram of strong white bread flour, 8 grams dry yeast, 30 grams caster sugar, 14 grams fine non-iodidated salt, I'm using Himalayan, 4 tablespoons full cream milk powder, 30 ml oil, and 560 ml warm non-chlorinated water. Place all of the ingredients in your mixer bowl, starting with the water. This makes it easier for the mixer to combine everything properly. Attach the dough hook to your mixer if you haven't already done so, and start the mixer on minimum speed for 1 minute. After 1 minute, increase the speed to the second lowest speed for a further 4 minutes. At this point, cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and allow the dough to rest for 15 minutes. After the resting time, restart the mixer on the second lowest setting and knead the dough for a further 4 minutes until it is nice and smooth. Cover the bowl again with the towel and allow this to prove for 60 minutes in a warm place. If you don't have a suitable warm place, then heat your oven until just warm and place the bowl in your oven to rise. Turn the dough out onto your work surface and shape it into a ball by cupping your hands and pushing inward underneath the dough while simultaneously turning the dough. Use your dough scraper to cut the dough into 2 equal pieces. Reshape each of these 2 into round loaves by cupping, pressing inwards and turning. Transfer the loaves to a large baking sheet lined with baking parchment. Using a sharp blade, score an X into the tops of the loaves. This is not really for decoration, but rather to allow the dough to rise sideways and upwards instead of mostly upwards. Use a misting sprayer to mist the loaves liberally all over. This will prevent the dough from forming a layer on the outside, ensuring a nice rise with no tears or splits in the surface. Place the sheet in a warm place to rise for a further 60 minutes or until tripled in size. Give the loaves an extra spritz of water if you see them drying out during this time. And once again, if you don't have a suitable warm area to place the tray, warm your oven and put them in there. Preheat your oven to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Spray the loaves liberally again using your sprayer bottle and bake the loaves for 20 minutes until golden and they sound hollow when tapped. And here is the result. The loaves are beautifully soft with excellent oven spring and lovely open texture. Allow the loaves to cool on a rack before cutting. The bread freezes exceptionally well in loaf form or sliced and packed into plastic bags or cling wrapped, and can be defrosted naturally or in the microwave oven. That's it for today, folks. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.